Welcome to Artificial channel. My name is Lamphia, and I'm going to be taking you through a series of tutorials in developing database applications using Java. And I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, have fun. If you do have any questions or comment, feel free to post them on my channel, and I shall reply or take them on board. Yeah, the teaching methodology that I'm going to be using is putting the concepts into practice. With that said, we are going to be developing together a full working application based on a customer's scenario. So we are along the way we'll be learning the concepts of JDBC and how it can be implemented into developing a business application. So I hope you enjoy it and as much as I am. And yeah, it's not really about teaching per se, but sharing idea. I'm a learner and yeah, a graduate in any way that I can also share the little that I know with the wider public. I think is such a fun, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. As I said previously, please feel free to comment, positive or negative. I take all on board, and I think it's just going to make me to to be better in what I'm doing. So just to repeat, we are going to be developing a full Java application using the Java Swing and the Java JDBC APIs. And I will take you through all, if necessary, or the most important ones. And I hope you follow and enjoy it, and as much as I will. Okay, enough of all the scrap talks, and yeah, let's get to business. Now, application development has evolved a lot with different application platforms or APIs, ranging from Java to C Sharps and other application platforms. I find Java much more suitable. That's a personal preference, however, based on its open source, security, and somehow the wider engagements of the community these days, which means you can get any help you want at any time, and you don't really need to invest anything to get uh, well applications for your company or client. There are other approaches other than JDBC in developing applications these days that are much more robust, as I can say. But this is a standard, and everything is like the backbone. Uh, just to cut it short, it's like the backbone, and you will find it much more easier. And we can build on the JDBC to do other programming in the future. So for now, we are going to focus on the JDBC, and we are going to focus on how we can use the JDBCs to connect to our data sources, our data source, and develop our applications. And in order to make it much more user friendly, we'll be using a Swing, Java Swing, which provide us a beautiful GUI interface to interact with our application. So, what is JDBC? Okay, the Java Database Connectivity abbreviated as JDBC, provides database independence standards that enable Java applications to fully communicate with wide range of relational data base management systems and tabular data files. Tabular data files might be like even Excel files or CVS files, and relational database like in my SQL Server or MS SQL servers and Oracle, Postgres, just name them. It can connect to any one of them, and it depends on your preference and yeah, the environment you are much more comfortable. People will ask me, okay, yeah, what's the best or what? I really don't have that authority to tell you, but which one is the best or not the best. But I say, look, so just stick to what you know best and what you are comfortable in working with. So, like here, we be working with MySQL database as our data source and developing our applications from there. Okay, the JDBC architecture is composed of two main tiers. We've got two tiers or three tiers, and the two tiers mainly is where you have the client database, their applications, and that connects directly with the data house, which is the database. And the three tiers, once you have like applet or browser applications or like web applications connecting through a middle business logic server or application server, which process or request and send it to retrieve data and send it back to the application. So our scenario will be basically on the two tiers, and I hope you follow, and see you in the next video.